Namaskar. On behalf of all the faculty members of Civil Engineering Department, I welcome you all in Civil Engineering Department NIT Agartala. Due to pandemic and all these things, though you all are staying at home, I wish and pray that you all will be shown in the institute NIT Agartala. Now, coming to the establishment of this department is established in the year 1965 with an intake of 10, and gradually the intake is increased, and nowadays there are 184 intake in BTech Civil Engineering. Thereafter, in the year 2008, this department has also started MTech courses, and nowadays there are 7 MTech courses in Civil Engineering Department. This department is also accredited by NBA. First, it is accredited in the year 2013 for 5 years, and thereafter, in the year 2019, it is accredited once again for 3 years. The faculty members of the departments are 32, out of which 5 are professor, 5 are associate professor, and 22 are assistant professor. It is the department in which we are having maximum number of senior professors. Next page shows the total number of faculty members in the department. Now, the department is offering program in PG, PhD, and faculty members are specialized in different branches like structural engineering, transportation engineering, geotechnical engineering, water resource engineering, environmental engineering, and hydroinformatic engineering. The faculty members, when they are presenting paper, they are publishing paper, they are also being awarded with prize. For example, our beloved professor, Professor S.K. Pal sir, he is awarded in MNIT Allahabad in the year 2019. Dr. Rama Debbarma, she is awarded with Best Paper Award, and in the International Conference on Sustainable Materials and Structure for Civil Infrastructure, Dr. Rajiv Shah, he is also awarded in ACSGE International Conference, BITS Pilani, in the year 2018. The department is publishing papers in the different HCI and Scopus indexed journal. In the year 2019-20, the total number of papers published are 35, out of which the maximum papers are in SCI journal 30, Scopus 3, and referred journal only 2. There are 31 citations in the year 2019-20. The department, in addition to its departmental academic activities, they are also involved with other activities, professional activities like Nodal Department of the State Resource Institute, SRI, State Technical Authority for PMGSY, Nodal State Institute, and department is involved in preparing state-specific action plan on water resource for the state. Our students, they are achieving very good in their academic career. In the year 2017-18, Abhishek Pal, he topped in BTech Civil Engineering. In the year 2018-19, Sunil Kumar Jadhav, he topped, and recently, during this same year, Shubhadeep Dev, he topped in Civil Engineering. Our students, with the help of MO, we are also sending to different premier institute like Jannavi Basu and Alokananda Ghosh. They are doing their dual MTech PhD courses in IIT Madras. Our department is also offering PhD degree, and last year the Dr. Surjit Monshi, Dr. Ritabrata Roy, Dr. Tilottama Chakraborty, and Dr. Uttam Roy, they have been awarded with the PhD degree of the department. What is the vision and mission of our department? department is committed to contribute excellence in research, scientific and technical education. The fulfill this vision, the department is having mission to impart quality education for fundamental knowledge in engineering, science and technology, to develop the engineering background of students towards employability, entrepreneurship and higher learning, to undertake collaboration projects to create opportunity for long-term industry academic interaction, to develop continuous improvement in teaching learning process. Now, department is also offering project to the BTech final year students. How this project is allocated to the students? Students are forming group within themselves. Then these groups they are allocated to the concerned supervisor. Supervisor on the basis of the need of the society, the projects are selected and then the projects are evaluated. The students, they are also involved with different professional activities. That means they are doing IEI, NITA student chapter. They are going for different site visits for the ongoing work. In addition, they are also publishing technical newsletters. The faculty members of the department, they are publishing books and book chapters which are given for the year 2018-19, 2017-18 and 2016 and 17. In addition, faculty members of the department, they are also filing patent. Last year, Dr. Devdulal Tripura and Professor Richi Prasad Sharma, they have filed their patent. We are also taking projects from the different funding agencies. Already the faculty members of the department completed near about 130 lakhs funded projects, and near about 180 lakhs funded projects are ongoing. The funding agencies are AICTE, DST, SSCL, so on. In addition, we are organizing the technical talks from taking faculty members outside the institute, from Premier Institute, which are given here. For example, Professor J.R. Koel, Professor Shubhamay Bhattacharya from UK, Professor Dipankar Chaudhary from IIT Bombay, and Professor Ambarish Ghosh from IIST Calcutta. The department is also organizing workshop, conferences. For example, recent days, which was completed on 16/12/2020, the department has organized one international workshop, which is near about 15 faculty members from India and abroad. They have given their lectures. The department is enriched with lab equipments. The department is having UTM, shake table, using which we can perform the test on to study the earthquake related issues. The department is having structural engineering lab, in which we can study buckling of strut. We can go for rebound hammer test also, ultrasonic pulse test also, shear force, bending moment and deflection determination also. We are also having cement concrete lab, in which we can perform the test, compression test, mortar mixture we are having VV test. We are also having flexural testing machine, concrete vibrator. So we are very much enriched in structural and concrete lab, as well as in geotechnical engineering lab. We are having permeability testing apparatus, direct shear test apparatus, triaxial test apparatus, consolidation apparatus, vent shear test apparatus. We are having SPT testing setup, DCPT setup, liquid limit apparatus, and also SCPT setup. Simultaneously, in transportation engineering also, we are having rolling thin film oven, Volin viscometer, routing machine, automatic triaxial machine, and Cornlock. In transportation engineering, we are also having repeated triaxial machine, bump integrator, falling weight deflectometer, and Los Angeles apparatus. In environmental, we are having water distillation unit, COD digester, microprocessor based centrifuge test setup. We also having UV VIS spectrophotometer, BUD incubator, and jar test. In water resource engineering, we are having double ring infiltrometer, pan evaporometer, open channel flow, rain gauges. In solid mechanics lab, we are having compression testing machine, universal testing machine, extensometer, and compressometer. In surveying, we are having compass survey, plane table survey, theodolite survey, leveling. And in computer lab, we are having near about 100 computer. In addition, the softwares are AutoCAD, C++, StatPro, ArcGIS, Abaqus, ANSYS, MATLAB, QGIS, and SAP software. For departmental activity running, we are having Departmental Activity Advisory Board and Program Evaluation Committee. So, in all respect, we can say that civil engineering department is enriched, and we are eagerly waiting that as early as possible you can come to the department and we can start our interaction, face-to-face interaction. We can start our classes physically. So, thank you. Wish you all the best.